Hi folks, thanks for stopping by again. Just want to show you my latest creation. Now this is small scale compared to something like Bag End, or over there we've got cupboard under the stairs. Excuse that, I'm not advertising for you. Here, or you. Right, so this is Hogwarts Express carriage. I hope you can see this. So basically, this is a small scale printing test, but it can be printed to whatever scale you want. It's modular; it can all fit together. Really easy, slots in, clips together. Really, no glue required. But I'll show you some of the features. We've got paintings on the wall. We've got lamp holders for the lamps, which would fit in here. These are just generic grey that I printed out, but the lamps can fit here. You'll see from the pictures I will post here as well. We've got the window frame at the back, so the window frame can fit at the back there, slots in, and you can put acetate, or you could print out a clear window, and then it's got a backing piece to go on the back as well, so you can print out the back, which is great. Nearly lost the lampshade, can't be doing that. So we've got the door, and that will fit into a recess here, which will allow it to slide. I'll show you the bit that holds the top piece in a second. Just leave that there for a second. So we've got the seats that fit into the inside. They'll just fit in there nice and neatly. There we go. And this slot in, as you can see. And I've got different variety of this, so I've printed them in blue. The seats are blue. You can print multicolour. You can paint these. It's all great. The other parts of the seats are there's a little outside piece that sits on that side, so the outer front side. There's one here as well. This part here fits up on this side. I don't know if you can see. I'm not very good at this. I'll show you again. I should have took the front part off, didn't I? That will fit here on the back wall, up in there. Slots in nice, as you can see. It can be painted or printed in blue because it was blue fabric. What else have I got? So for the other side as well. And then we've got the roof, and the roof just literally slots in over the top into position, and then you can glue that one down. There we go. There you go, and that slots in nicely like that. And then the door does fit in a recess at the top there, and that would allow you to open and close, as it were. I'm really not fitting it together very properly, but it does fit together. Nicely glues, as you can see, all fits nicely together. And I'm working on a couple of variations as well, so I'm going to have a slightly arched front panel that you can swap out, so you could see the full inside, and also I could do that with the back panel as well, and that'll be included in the design, which is going to be on Etsy. So I'll post the link below, and that would allow you to also see the inside. But as you can see, I'm good at holding this together. All slots together really nicely. Once painted up, it will look fantastic in proper colours. This is just a test piece, as I said. Hence, you can see the inner support infill material is a different colour to the wall. That's not a fault, but it was just a test piece. I'll post that. Well, that is on Etsy now. So I realised I didn't do really sort of close up of it. This is the test model, obviously, and it's what it will look like inside. It hasn't got a seat in there at the minute. Seen that already. What I didn't show you before was that the lamps fit here, and that's kind of what it is. I'll put a seat in, the blue one in, but they're not designed for this version of the model, but they do sort of fit in. So that's what that would look like. The seat would big there like that, which is great. I've got an oversized, well, which is actually the normal size, luggage, what's the word? Luggage rack. That would sit on this wall, but this is not designed for this model, but they would sit there, and that's something I also forgot, so apologies for that. Hopefully you get a good understanding of what the model is about. Thanks for watching. That's what it looks like. Bit of a closer up for you. You know, kind of what it. Those seats, as I say, they're not ready for that, but that's kind of what it looks like. I guess the other way, you might want to see the other way. That's what it would look like. You can obviously remove the window if you wanted to, and the archway, which is included in the design, would give you a fuller view through. You could put Hedwig's cage in there on the luggage racks, which sit here. You could put a suitcase, open suitcase, things like that. So yeah, hopefully that gives you a taste of this test model. And if you're interested in any of my other designs, such as bag end, or got here. Oh, we got the cupboard under the stairs, and you can see they're much larger design. This was just a test piece, as I said. Feel free to check out my Etsy store, and I'll be happy. I'm also working on the holodeck for Star Trek, if anybody's interested. This is the control panel. I've got some issues with my filament, but yes, this is the start of that. That's coming next, and check it out. Comment below, subscribe, like, share, do what you like. But it'd be nice to see you, chat with you about designs you'd like to see next. Thanks for stopping by.